Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky and we continue learning about the Configurator software features. The page that we are going to discuss today is called iButton. I remind you that Galileosky 7X devices and Galileosky 10 devices allow you to store up to 1000 keys in the device internal memory and up to 10,000 keys on the SD card or eMMC memory. So the iButton page allows you to create the file with trusted keys. Let's see how this tool works. Start the configurator and go to the iButton page. The main part of the screen takes the table with trusted keys. My table is currently empty, but we will fix this soon. At the right side of the screen, we need to choose the drive where to store our files with trusted keys. Keys are stored in files case bin and case X bin. I am choosing on of drives for my files and now I can start filling the table. Case IDs to this table we can enter as decimal or hexadecimal. When you fill one of the columns, the corresponding one is filled automatically. I remind you that Galileosky tracking devices support 4 bytes and 8 bytes keys. The key size is set in the device settings at the serial ports page. The parameter is called the external keys size. Once the key size is set, I can start filling the table. I'm switching to the device tab first. The attached key ID is shown in the iButton or iButton2 field, which depends on the key reader. So I'm attaching the key now. The key ID is displayed in decimal and hexadecimal. I am copying the ID in decimal. Now I am switching to the iButton tab and pasting the key to the decimal column. The hexadecimal is filled automatically. Now when the table is ready, we can save it to the file. In case you are using tracking device with the SD card and this SD card is installed in the card reader of your computer, you can save the file directly to the SD card. Yet it is not so simple for trackers with the eMMC memory as my Galileosky 10 device. So I am saving files to my computer first. Now I need to copy created files to the device eMMC. So I am switching to the Commands tab and sending the command msd-1 to unlock the device memory. I am using the WinSCP-free application as the file manager to copy created files to the tracker memory. Done. Now all I need to do is return the device access to its memory. I'm switching back to the Commands tab and sending the command msd-0. So let's see if the device is reacting to my key as to the trusted key. The system reaction to the trusted key is the active second bit in the device status tag. The visual representation of the device status is available on the device tab. So I'm attaching my key again. The key ID appears in the iButton field and the trusted key flag in the device status becomes active. It is time to remind you that you can upload files with trusted keys not only locally via USB cable, but also remotely using the WebDAV feature. You can find the manual regarding the WebDAV in our base. Go to the Galileosky.com, place the arrow at the support, and in the menu that appears, click to User Manuals. In the menu at the left side of the screen, choose Device Configuration, Remote Configuring, How to sync files on SD card remotely. So now you know how to create the base of trusted keys for Galileosky trackers and how to upload this base to trackers locally and remotely. This is all for today. Dmitry was with you. See you in the next video.